So, as you guys know, we have a quiz tomorrow on two-step equations. So I wanted to give you guys something to practice and just review over, if you chose to, before the quiz tomorrow. So, we're gonna solve these two problems right here, and hopefully that should be enough for you guys to review. So for the first one, in class we had to draw our wall down the middle, okay? And then after we draw our wall, we like to highlight. So we highlight our variable, which is r, and everything else other than our r has to go. So my 1 has to go, and my 2 has to leave as well. So we'll go ahead and get those out of here. And whenever we say we want something to go away, what we have to do is the opposite or the inverse. So right here I see this 1. The opposite of a positive 1 is a negative 1 here. And whatever you do to one side, you do to the other side as well. So negative 1 there and negative 1 under my 35. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So I'm going to put a big 0 there because it's gone. I'm going to bring down my 2r. And the left-hand side is done. Now on the right-hand side, we have 35 minus 1, which is 34. All right, so to finish the problem off, we have 2r equals 34, which is 2 times r equals 34. 2 times some number r is 34. So again, we're going to do the inverse. Instead of multiplying by 2, we're going to divide by 2 on both sides. Divide by 2 here and divide by 2 here. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so we have 1r left by itself instead of 2. And then over here we have 34 divided by 2, which will give us 17. R is 17. Okay. And over here for the second one, we're going to do pretty much the same thing. So again, we're going to separate our equation. We have a left-hand side and a right-hand side. And I'm going to highlight again. I'm going to get yellow. Our variable this time is p. Variables can change. It's no big deal. And our other terms, we have a negative 3 right here, or minus 3, whichever one you want to say. Again, they are interchangeable. And a 4 right here. And we need both of those to go away. And we always want to start off with either addition or subtraction first. So that being said, right here I have a negative 3. The opposite of negative 3 is plus 3. Positive 3 here, as well as over here. So that means 3 minus 3, different signs, subtract, that equals 0. So it's gone. I'm going to bring down my 4p over here. 4p equals 2. Over here on the right hand side, we have 17 plus 3. So 17 plus 3, you all know, is 20. So you have one step left to do. All we just did so far, the only thing we've done so far is add 3 to both sides to get rid of my 3. So now, to finish the problem up, we're going to have to get rid of my 4 here on the left-hand side. It's got to go away. So right now we have 4 times p equals 20. So we're going to divide both sides by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So I have 1p left over here. And 20 divided by 4 is 5. So p was equal to 5.